Gucci, everybody? I'm back with another YouTube video, and today we are going to be outside making slime. And so, I have my best friend Angel, as we had in the other videos. So, I cut myself when I was closing the toilet. So, what you're going to need is you're going to need a bowl, something to mix with. We got these 2 little spoons. Glue, Tide, and we got some paint, optional for food coloring. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your glue. You got to open it. There's something on it.
Why would they make this like that?
I don't know.
There we go.
And then you're going to pour it in there. We were going to get clear, but my grandpa said no because it was too hot.
Plus, we couldn't find anywhere else to get them.
Because my grandpa,
if you guys know different places where to get them, then just tell us
in the comments
so we can get it.
I got it in there because I dropped it. That's it. And then we are going to add the paint. It is pink.
It's
Pinkish, kind of reddish.
It's going to be pink, though.
So I will pour it in
You
there.
don't have to have paint. But if you want to have color, then you can get paint or like food coloring. That's good. Can't you just get...
No. And we're going to like mix it around. Earlier we were on Lively. We were making a Lively and nobody even joined. I was like, we're so lonely.
Yeah, we was at the house.
Then, my house, because we were by ourselves. Okay, that's good. Come on. Then you got to pour your Tide in. I got hair in it. And then get my mind straight. And I pour it in there. Then we're going to mix it around until it forms. Mine is kind of already forming.
Mine too.
And I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes.
Same here.
On my feet. They love your feet. Well, they love my feet. They don't like other people's feet.
I got one right here.
I got one right here. Okay, so we're going to add some more. It does get soapy for some reason with us. It never works. It doesn't.
I think we like put too much detergent in there.
Not really. I don't know why. I keep getting bit.
Mine's almost ready.
Oh, they're back. Oh, I didn't know I had it on my hands and rubbed it on my feet.
How did you get it on your hand?
What? Look at that! Wow. Okay.
And it's on your pants.
Who cares? And we're going to add some more.
We need a
keep
better
adding.
thing. Go get real fruits.
I can't. Hi. Good.
What time do you go down to the bus stop in the morning?
7:30.
Okay. I think we're going to have Angel ride the bus tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, baby. I'll talk to you later.
Okay. Sorry. Girl next door.
She talks to us a lot.
Yeah. Man, I'm going to have to take a
She
shower.
woke up this morning.
I'm going to have to take a shower after this. Is that okay? We are getting literally bit up out here, people.
I was going to do it inside, but her dog bites me.
Yeah, he doesn't like people.
Except the people that he lives with.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so basically we are done. It's going into my store. So yeah, that is for the end of the video. So make sure you like and subscribe. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and love you guys. Bye. Mwah.